children. Hope you all are safe at home. Today let's start with first lesson, evolution of computer. Evolution, which means a gradual development of something, especially from a simple to more complex form. History of computers. The need to keep track of numbers lead to the invention of different calculating devices. The computers we use today are very different from the early devices that were invented for doing calculation. Okay, children, now let us learn about some of the early calculating devices. First one, abacus. The Chinese invented a machine called abacus. It was the first used for calculation. The purpose was to count. The old abacus was made up of stones. It is now made up of strings and beads. Second one, Pascal's adding machine. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented the Pascal's adding machine. Pascal invented the machine at the age of 18. It is a rectangular box with wheels on it. The third one, Leibniz calculator. Gottfried Leibniz, a German mathematician, invented the calculating device Leibniz calculator. It performed arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It was made up of a stepped drum connected to a counting wheel and teeth. The next heading, analytical engine. Children, here you can see the image of analytical engine. In 1837, Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer. Mechanical computers were operated manually. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill, and processing system. These units work much like a modern computer. All the computers used nowadays are based on it. Store was used for storing the data, and mill was the calculating unit, and processing unit was used for supervising all the units. Okay, children, now let us see the next heading, electronic computing devices. Computing, which means operation of computers. The first one, ENIAC, expansion of ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer. In 1946, John Mousley and Prosper Eckert of the USA designed the world's first electronic computer. Next one, UNIVAC 1. The expansion of UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC 1 was the first commercial electronic computer developed in the year 1951 by ENIAC inventors John Mousley and Prosper Eckert. Commercial, which means business. Okay, children, now let's see the another one heading, generation of computers. In this topic, we will see the step-by-step growth of computers from beginning to nowadays. First generation computers. First generation computers from 1940 to 1956. First generation computers made use of vacuum tubes. These computers were expensive and bulky. They used machine language for computing and could solve just one problem at a time. Examples of first generation computers, UNIVAC, EDVAC, and EDSAC. Second generation computers. Second generation computers from 1956 to 1963. In the 1960s, transistor-based computer replaced vacuum tubes. Transistors made computers smaller and cheaper. The computers of this generation used punched cards for input. They used assembly language. Examples of second generation computers: IBM 1401, UNIVAC 1. Third generation computers. Third generation computers periods from 1963 to 1971. Third generation computers used integrated circuits. Characteristics of third generation computers: small in size, less power consumption, increased storage capacity, less heat generation. Examples of third generation computers: IBM 360 series, IBM 370 series. Fourth generation computers. Fourth generation computers periods from 1971 to present days. Introduction of microprocessor was the hallmark of fourth generation computers. The characteristics of fourth generation computers are large storage capacity and unique storage devices at less cost. Examples of fourth generation computers are desktop, laptops, and tablets. Fifth generation computers. Fifth generation computers periods from present day to beyond. The fifth generation computers are in their development phase. The component of fifth generation computer is artificial intelligence and nanotechnology. The characteristics of fifth generation computers are very high speed, huge storage capacity, support voice recognition and understanding natural language, large memory requirements, more user friendly. The examples of fifth generation computer is supercomputer. Okay, children, now let us revise whatever we have learned today. Abacus was the first machine used for calculation. Pascal's adding machine performed difficult addition and subtraction. Leibniz's calculator performed arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical computer. Alan Turing, which known as the father of modern computers. Mechanical computers were operated manually. ENIAC was the world's first electronic computer. Children, I hope you have understood today's concept. Thank you, children.